Welcome back to Panther Wave, life rolling in a Crown Vic. Boy, these Crown Vics, you're always doing something, you're tinkering with it, doing little odds and ends. But I think that's the culture of it. I think that's part of loving it. And for me personally, I like to just tinker. So this is another one of those tinker mods, or catch can. Like I said, I've already replaced the PVC valve hose, but now going to the full oil catch can mod. You know, there is specialists out there in the internet, people that say, hey, a naturally aspirated engine doesn't need one. But hey, that's up to debate. But I'm here to just do the install. I have my things that I need here. So hose, cutters. Don't worry about Bob there. But thanks for the pliers 10 years ago. But anyways, some 3/8 holes, have some hose clamps. I'm actually going to do a bolt and bolt through to this cover here. It's going to sit right here. So I'm going to drill some holes and make it rigid and solid. Like I said, I got my washers. These are lock washers. And a couple of headed Hex bolts and nuts and some more washers. But here it is, full performance. Nice little box. Or a catch can. You know, one great thing about the Crown Victorias is this area right here. It's clean. You can put your drink on it, work on the car, do what you need to do. So here's the oil catch can. Comes with this top bracket, which I am going to take off. Comes with these Allen wrench screws on it. There's like a drain plug at the bottom. I will be Teflon taping everything. Here's the openings here. And these are the fittings for the hoses. Nice. Then here's this bracket. So what I come up with is this bracket would basically sit right here. Right there. It's clear of everything. My hoses can reach over to the PVC valve. That's right there. And it goes right to the intake as well. So let's get it going. Okay, so now I have drilled the holes. I have fed in the 1/4 inch bolts with washer, as you can see here. It's where to be mounted. So now the next step is to finish the process on the other side, so I can add in the lock washer and nut to the back side. And this way everything is nice and tight, and also to help so it doesn't vibrate. And now that's those screws. So if you follow, this is the passenger side fender, right? So if you go through and you can see them right there. Alright, so now I have my washer, lock washer, and now I'm going in with the nut. Go ahead and screw it on tight, and once I have these on, I'll take my wrench along with a 5/16 inch open end wrench or close end wrench, it doesn't matter. So I have this on the inside of the engine compartment on the back side of this bolt. This way I can hold it tight while I tighten on this side closest to us. Okay, now we're going in. It's getting tight. I feel tension. It's getting tight. All right. One more. Tight. Tight. All right, perfect. So we have the bracket in. Sit solid mount. It's going to sit like this. Perfect. Now I just want to make sure that, so this is your oil catch can. This is the top part. This is where the air goes in and out. This is the little baffle, and then there's a little filter screen right here as well. And it goes together as such, just like this. Then there is a little drain here that you can use, or you can untwist it. So I will be Teflon taping this part here and the fittings that go inside here. Just blow it out just to make sure there's no other debris in it from manufacturing. Okay. So now I have the thread lock on it. It's thread lock. Here's the fitting here. So this left side out, there's thread lock with a gasket. There is a little rubber little gasket here. And go ahead and screw it in with the thread lock. Take it nice and slow. That way you can seal. There's an O-ring. So now you can see where the O-ring is. It's right here. O-ring. Now it'll start to squish in. So this is pretty much hand tight. Hand tight. So I ran into a little problem, which I didn't quite see, but I think I'm gonna try to make it work still. I don't really quite have room to go down anymore. I think I'm gonna try to go up and over. It may be just a little snug fit, but I think it'll still work. So final installation of the Bull Boost Performance oil catch can. Kind of a factory look. This is from up top. Come in right here, good easy location. Swing around. This is on the passenger side of the car. Ample room here so I can grab it, twist it off, dump it out, and then put it back on. Solid. Don't mind this. This is okay. It's not a lot of tension. It'll loosen up after a while after it heats up and expand. But it goes right to the intake. Watching this video on how to install a catch can by Crown Victoria. like, share, and subscribe.